Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olaide Joshua. Today I want to introduce to you Visa or MasterCard virtual card. Some people call it prepaid card, which you can use to make international payments or any online transaction. We all know how difficult it is nowadays to make international payment, especially those payments that has to do with US dollars. And this is because of bank restriction or CBN restriction. I remember last year I wanted to pay for my Google Play Store account. I wanted to open an account on Google Play Store and I was required to pay $25 fee. I couldn't do so. I went to Netherlands, make a post on their platform seeking for help. But unfortunately, those who offered to help me scammed me, a whopping sum of 40,000 naira for that matter. But at the end of the day, what helped me was a virtual card denominated in US dollars. And most of the online platforms that I found then, they demanded for way too much information, which I was not willing to give out. They demanded for things like bank verification number, your BVN, your national identity number, your ATM card details, and your account details. I think this information can make you vulnerable to cyber attacks in the future, and it will not be wise to just give this kind of thing out. So the most secure way I found then was a Master or a Visa virtual card, which only require your phone number, your email, and the address where you live, and also your full name. So if you're in a similar situation and you're looking for the most secure, effective, and efficient way to make international payment, that is payment in US dollars, I would recommend that you get a Master or Visa virtual card registered in your name. It must be registered in your name. So if you are looking for a place to get the Visa or Master virtual card in US dollars, if you don't know how to get it, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number is in the description box below. You can also see it right on the screen. So contact me and make a request for the virtual card. I know a lot of you are scared again. Oh, this is another scammer. He wants to scam us. No. In order to ensure your trust and safety when dealing with me, I have put in place two things. Number one, I have a Stanbic IBTC Bank escrow account which you can pay into, and the funds will be held there, and you only release the payment to me once I fulfill your order. You have every right to cancel it if it is not fulfilled or if it doesn't meet the required expectation, and you get your money back. For those who don't know what an escrow account is, you can go online to search to look for more information on what an escrow account is. Number two, I'm registered on a Know Your Customer verification platform, that is KYC platform. You can contact me and request for a link to my dashboard where you get to see every details about me, and it will not be as if you are dealing with a total stranger. All I will be needing from you is your full name, your phone number, your email address, and your residential address, so you can see that you are not giving way too much information. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a nice day.